Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss of chapter Arithmetic Progression class 11th, that is type 8 applications of AP. Next question, that is fourth question. A farmer buys a used tractor for rupees 12,000. He pays rupees 6,000 cash and agrees to pay the balance in annual installment of rupees 500. Rupees 500 plus 12% interest on the unpaid amount. How much the tractor cost him? So first write down what is given in the question, guys. Given that a farmer buys a used tractor for rupees 12,000. He pays 6,000 in cash. Therefore out of 12,000, 6,000 he already paid. Therefore 6,000 per unpaid amount he should pay EMI or interest, right? To find how much the tractor cost him. Amount paid as installment at the end of first year is rupees 500. That is 6,000 minus 500, that equal to 5,500. Therefore, amount paid as installment at the end of second year is 500, guys. That is 5,500. 5,500 minus 500, that equal to 5,000, guys. Therefore, the loan left is 5,000. Therefore, the total interest to be paid is 12% of 66,000 plus 12% of 5,500 plus so on plus 12,000 of 500. So 500 is the minimum amount, right? Therefore, we can take 12% off as common. So we get 6,000 plus 5,500 plus 5,000 plus so on plus 500. So we get 500 plus 1,000 plus 1,500 plus so on plus 6,000. So this looks like an AP, right? This series looks like an AP. So the common difference is 500. Where I have mentioned here T1, T2, what is first term, what is second term, what is common difference, I have mentioned here. So we need to finding the number of terms here. Okay, number of terms will get obviously 12, but we'll solve we'll solve according to the procedure by using general term, guys. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where Tn equal to 6,000 equal to a value is 500 plus n minus 1 into d value is 500. Simplify, we get n equal to 12. So using Sn value, we can find sum of all the ones, guys. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We get 12 by 2 into 2 into 500 plus 12 minus 1 into 500. Simplify, we get 39,000 for the total months.